What is going on, LEGO investors? So today we're going to talk about a set that retired at the end of 2023 and is still in stock. Yes, this might be repetitive. I've talked about this quite a bit on my channel, but I am going to make videos like this as long as sets are in stock because I want everyone to be aware. And especially the newbies, they still have a chance to buy some of these sets, but you have to do your due diligence. Some sets are great and some sets are just absolutely terrible. It's a bad sign if it's generally in stock after 2023, but this set is an exception and I'll explain why. But I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on the set. Even if you've already seen these type of videos that I've made, I would love if you comment your thoughts and opinions on this set and how you think it will do in retirement. So let's dive into it. And yes, I'm making this video primarily because I just made that video on the Hungarian Horntail and I am devastated that I missed out on that. It wasn't on the Brick Fanatics list. It was on the Brick Fanatics list and then it fell off and I just slept on it. So I want everyone to be aware that you can still get Hedwig. Yes, it is sold out on lego.com, but it is a Barnes & Noble exclusive. And it is still in stock there, which I will show you in a minute. But let's take a look at this set. Some info about it. It released August 2020 and it retired at the end of 2023. Yes, it's not updated on here yet, but the fact that it's sold out on lego.com, gives me confidence that it is retired officially. So it's got one minifigure, which it is unique, surprisingly, and it's great that they included a unique minifigure, but the value is $3.07. So if you're new to investing in general with Harry Potter is a bad investment. And I don't mean the minifigure, I mean the actual theme, Harry Potter. The minifigures are, you only get so many Harry Potter minifigures, and they're included in all the sets, so they just keep remaking them over and over again. You can only get so many different variations. And even the unique one, going for $3.07, that's pretty terrible. But Harry Potter is a bad investment. However, there's always one or two sets that might do well. Hedwig was the set in 2023 that I believe is the clear winner for the Harry Potter theme. So if you're not familiar with this set was supposed to retire at the end of 2022, which if it did, this set would easily be $80 in retirement, probably a good chance right now. This would have been such a great investment if it retired at the end of 2023. But it didn't. They extended it, and unfortunately it screwed a lot of investors. I myself included. I bought about 118 of these, and it really hurt me because that's over like $5,000 just sitting another year, and unfortunately that's a lot of money to invest and have it just sit there. But I thoroughly believe in this set, and I think even though it's been out for 3 years, it's a great investment. Why? Just because people love Hedwig, and this is what I call a parent set. I previously bought the Harry Potter Night Bus, and that, in my opinion, was a clear winner. I bought a lot of those back in the day, and those just have been selling consistently. Parents love to buy that for their kids, and I think this set is one of those sets where the parents are just going to want to buy it for their kids. It's a great display piece, and I think this is an accurately priced Lego set, which is really, really rare. It helps you in retirement when it's got a great price, and we haven't seen too many sales, simply for the fact that it's a Barnes & Noble exclusive, and we typically don't see sales with that. So it retails for $39.99, and if you are a member, if you have your membership with Barnes & Noble, I think you pay like $25 or $30, you get a 10% discount. So it's even less than $39.99. I think that is phenomenal. I think this set is going to do pretty decent in retirement. I'm guessing maybe around $60. There is a chance we could hit 80, but it all depends. It will probably be a long hold for 80, but if I was able to double my money with this set, that would be an absolute grand slam. But I'm expecting just quick sales for 60. I'm going to try and get, $20 profit per set. That's a win for me. And you might be saying that's terrible for Lego investing. Well, I think you're in the wrong investing in theme or side hustle if that's the case. We are in a different time now. The days of doubling your money are over. You have to buy a ton of inventory to earn a decent profit. So I bought about 118 of these, and yes, I went to Barnes & Noble every single week and bought as many as I could. It was a ton of driving. That's how I got so many. And yeah, I think my sell price is going to be 60, and I'll probably hold some just in case maybe a few years down the line where we might get 70 or 80. It's going to be rare. A lot of factors have to go into that if the economy gets better. But overall, this is going to be a quick sell set for me, and I think parents are going to buy this for their kids. So it still is in stock at Barnes & Noble. You can actually order it online if you have not. And if you just do a quick search on yours, it'll tell you where it's out of stock and in stock. So this is a great sign. We've got just a few locations near me that are selling out. Majority of them are in stock. I think this is going to, it could go on a little longer. It depends because just a lot of people don't make their way to this store compared to Target and Walmart. So it really has been flying under the radar, even though it's been out for 3 years. And I think that's why they extended it, because they just overproduced this set and it just hasn't been able to move as many sets. Simply for the fact that Barnes & Noble, they've got a horrible system where it's pretty much you can only order 2 and then you're done. They do not expire, they do not increase it, they keep it consistent, and you don't really see sales. So a lot of people just do not make it to the store, and that's why they have them in stock. So if you're still looking for the set, you can purchase it, and honestly, I think it's a great buy. But again, not financial advice. I'm just a guy on YouTube. You should do your due diligence, and ultimately, you're gambling. But I think this is a solid set. Please comment down below if you think this is a great set. Do you think parents are going to buy this for their kids? Or do you think they'll buy it for themselves? So right now, if we take a look at Fox previously retired. And I thought Fox was going to be the winner in this because it is a Target exclusive and it just wasn't out as long as Hedwig. I was wrong on that. But I think Fox is going to be, it's going to come second. Hedwig will come first just simply for the fact of popularity. Right now, Fox is $64, 61, 55, 57, 74 here. That's pretty decent. I really thought we would have been in the 70 range, and it was up a little more, but it looks like it dropped in price. So sadly, Fox didn't do as well as I thought. I think Hedwig will do better than Fox, simply for the fact that if we look at it on eBay right now, where it's still in stock, you're pulling in pretty decent money. So it's 38 plus 15, 52, 54, 49 plus shipping. These are really good numbers for a set that is still in stock. So yeah, I definitely think Hedwig is going to beat Fox, even though I thought Fox was going to win because it was a Target exclusive and it's only been out for 2 years. And then we have to take a look at the Hungarian Horntail, which it hurts my soul simply for the fact that I passed this set. I slept on it and I just made the mistake. And I really wish I could go back in time and buy a bunch of these. But the Hungarian Horntail will do the worst out of the 3, and it's pulling in $49.99, $64, $67, $54. Honestly, not that bad, but it's got a higher price tag. So the Hungarian Horntail was $49.99 retail, and Hedwig is $39.99. And again, if you have the membership, which it paid off for me. I saved a ton of money and got my price all the way down. So you could get it cheaper than $39.99. That's a phenomenal price. You've got all 3. I don't know if we're going to get a 4th one this year. I really doubt they will make one, but there's always a chance. I think they'll make another dragon. Or they'll make the spider, Aragog, I believe is the name. But yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on this. Do you think this is a great investment? Do you think this will hit 60? Or do you think it will be in the $50 range? Or do you think it will be on the end spectrum of what I said? Is there a chance we could double our money with this set? Which would be absolutely phenomenal. But either way, I hope it does really, really well. And I hope you got some if you wanted some. But if you didn't, you could still pick it up in store. So you'll have to do some driving or order online. Either way, I think we might have a little bit longer with this set. which I'm happy about, because if I do get spare cash, I am definitely buying some. But as always, please do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.